Evaluation is not a straightforward or easy business where you just simply go to an institute, evaluate it, and see, gather information and just say, okay, this is done. Evaluation is not a straightforward activity. Rather, if for example, if you want to gather information from the teachers or students, or let's say some supporting staff, but if they are reluctant to provide you the desired information, what you're going to do? So that's the issue we're going to see in more detail, how we can get support for evaluation of a program. Right. Well, evaluation is largely seen as an activity, and which requires support from various stakeholders. So course evaluation, as the emphasis of this main topic, evaluation approaches and opportunities, has been throughout to find out the strengths and weaknesses of a language program. Okay, strengths are fine if they are, but they could be encouraging for the teachers, and they could help them further focus on their teaching techniques and their professional development. But if there are weaknesses, that might be a matter of grave concern. So in order to address the weaknesses and in order to gather information for evaluation, what we need to ensure that the evaluation is not biased. It's not personal. It's not that the informants, the teachers, students, or the administration, they don't see it as a threat or as a source to gather information against them. Rather, they don't see it as a threatening issue to their job security. So in order to involve the gather information for evaluation, if, for example, if there is external evaluator, the teachers might see him as a threatening force. So it's important to see the significance of how we can gain support for evaluation. There are certain procedures whereby we can get support. So, for example, we can explain the purposes of the evaluation explicitly to all stakeholders involved, and we can ask them to actively participate and highlight them that the positive or advantages of the evaluation. If, for example, if we've got appropriate support from various stakeholders involved, ensuring them their confidentiality, anonymity, and some of the other ethical issues. So once it's been appropriately done, then that could help, empower the participants. They could feel at ease, and they could be more willing to give, deeper understandings or deeper analysis of the program. So evaluation, in order to gather support for evaluation, it's largely seen as an activity where we need to ensure that different stakeholders got their say, and they see it as a positive exercise in order to improve the quality of language teaching.